In this video we're going to make a polygon lampshade using the Loft tool. It's a bit similar to this one. Already done one like that, or maybe you haven't watched that video. Going to do one similar to this one. So first job, sketch, horizontal plane, create polygon, inscribed in my case. I'm going to stretch it out to 50 mils radius. Press tab, change it from 6-sided to 8. For an octagon, move that to the middle, click, finish sketch. Now I'm going to construct an offset plane so I can do my next polygon above it, so I can loft to it. I'm going to make that 150. Enter. New sketch off that new plane. Create polygon, inscribed. Give that a radius of 70. I'm going to stick with my 6 sides and do a hexagon. Finish the sketch. This could end up looking a bit peculiar, but we'll give it a crack. And when it's twisted, because it's not symmetrical in the number of sides, it will be quite interesting. Okay. Create a loft. Here comes the sun. I'm going to turn this camera off now. Create a loft. Yeah, she's pretty weird, even like that. And what you can do, we'll edit that feature and we'll do some twisting. I'm just moving these across. You can see them snap in. Might have been better with the octagon at the top, who knows. She's looking pretty weird. So it could be a symmetrical base on top, the same number of sides, but we're going to twist this again. Because on that one I've actually got a circular base that looks quite good. Edit feature. I'm going to do it again. So you can twist them quite a way around. Yeah, that looks good. I want to edit that again. There's other things you can do with the loft. Got two choices here, connected and direction. I click on direction. I've got this arrow so I can sort of push that out, make it bulge. Or I can go the other way around and direction. Oops. And I can push this up to make it sort of hollow in. It's not looking too fancy, but it's interesting. So let's hollow this out. So click on shell, make that 3 mil. Okay. Might go and change that shape, go back and edit, modify, edit feature. I'm going to make that direction as well. Yeah, and bulge that out so it's out and in. That's way better, that's quite interesting. Right, better put a hole in it. Edit that sketch. I'm going to put a hole for a B22 lamp fitting, and it's got a 29mm hole. So that's for that lamp fitting, a B, not a B15, a B22, 29mm hole. Finish sketch. I better turn that sketch back on I'm going to press pull, push that in, anything over 3mm, it's on cut. Okay, so that's done. That's another one done. Now this one here, I had a round base and then the polygon on the top. This one, 2 unequal polygons, quite interesting. Another one here with equal polygons, they're 12-sided. Again, quite interesting. And you can, I can click in there and modify, edit feature, and I can change that, say to direction, to bulge that out, so it's more of a bowl shape. But I don't like that. Connected, direction, that's slightly concave. That's good. That's better. So the light can fan out. Okay, thanks for watching another video.